Welcome to our latest offering here in Villagewalk, Lake Nona's leading resort-style community. I'm Kressler with Kressler Real Estate, and today I'd like to introduce you to this 4-bedroom and 3-bath townhome. 12105 Breda Lane has been completely refreshed with brand new fixtures and painted throughout. The kitchen features brand new appliances, upgraded cabinetry, crown molding, tile backsplash, and granite countertops with breakfast bar. You will enjoy entertaining or relaxing outdoors on your private screened-in lanai. One of the bedrooms is located on the first level with its own private entrance through the patio. On the second level, you will find the main bedroom with a large walk-in closet and a second patio. Laundry room and 2 additional bedrooms are also located upstairs. There's no reason to leave Villagewalk. The gated community offers carefree living with complete lawn maintenance, internet, cable TV, a 24-hour fitness center, library, even a ballroom to host up to 160 of your guests. Other amenities include a lap pool, heated resort pool, 6 tennis courts, playground, basketball courts, and miles of beautifully landscaped paths and trails for running, walking, or biking. Wow, these endless amenities at Villagewalk and our fast-moving real estate market won't have this townhome last very long. Hurry to give us a call to schedule your private showing today.